When you drink warm water in the morning, your body reacts immediately, not on the outside bin, but deep inside. Warm water enters an empty stomach and spreads gently across the lining. There is no shock. The stomach stays calm and relaxed. The warmth relaxes stomach muscles. Blood flow increases slightly, helping tissues wake up and preparing the stomach for digestion. This warmth triggers gentle contractions. The stomach and intestines begin moving smoothly, guiding contents forward without stress or pressure. As water moves deeper, it hydrates intestinal contents. Waste softens, supporting smoother movement later in the day. Hydration spreads through the body. Organs work in rhythm. Digestion stays balanced. Warm water doesn't force the system. It supports it gently from the inside out. And follow me for more real health education